Okay, now here is a fantastic information for all the Samsung Galaxy phone users out there. Samsung is improving the way we take care of our Galaxy devices. May it be the device care or the warranty, all that information will be available on one single setting or one single brand new application called Warranty and Care. Galaxy Techie on X has uncovered this information and here shared some screenshot. As you can see on this page, you can see the header Warranty and Care and the device is displayed right on top, and you also have other connected devices right over here, and here it says 10 days left to sign up for your Samsung tablet S11 Ultra, and you also have scheduled repair information. You can see on this screenshot the repair information says Sam's Galaxy Watch 8 covered by Samsung Care Plus and some additional information here, and you can also troubleshoot the device by asking Bixby or using the diagnostics. We already have diagnostics on our device care application, and under support we have got request a repair remote management. It looks like it's a combination of both Samsung members application and the device care app which we already have. And on this screenshot you can see we have got the device right on top. Search for solutions, damage and repair, performance, phone usage and all that. We find these on Samsung members application. And he has also shared a couple of more screenshots here. You can see Samsung's devices that you're using which are connected to your phone or connected to your tablet are all shown up right over here. The Buds, the tablet and the Galaxy Watch, all these devices are right over here, and you can tap on them to check the information. And this is the page that you will see once you open this application for the first time. It says Warranty and Care. You can get warranty information, check the warranty status for all your Samsung devices, manage repairs, get repair cost estimates, make service center reservations and file warranty claims, find solutions, use diagnostic tools to solve problems without visiting a service center, get help from expert. Now these are not new, these are already available on the Galaxy phones, all these options, but now we have got a section called Warranty and Care where it is much more streamlined. And that is what we look forward to see from Samsung. And this all new Warranty and Care will be made available on the all new Samsung's One UI 9. Right now, we cannot really install this application. This is expected to come in the future. Let's wait and see. As soon as it arrives, I will keep you guys posted. And I'm pretty sure you're wondering about this beautiful astronaut wallpaper on my home screen. You can also see on my lock screen, I've got another astronaut wallpaper. These two new wallpapers we recently added on Volvo's wallpaper application. Under premium section, you will be able to see this specific wallpaper, and you can also see some beautiful wallpapers recently added, and I'll be adding more of them. If you like these wallpapers and if you want to appreciate it, be sure to rate the application 5-star on Play Store. That motivates me to keep coming up with more and more wallpapers for you guys, both free and premium. Do go ahead and rate it, and if you want to download the application, the link is in the description. I'm pretty sure you're going to love it if you start using the application. Now, this is something which I wanted to share with you guys. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you want to stay updated with everything Samsung, then go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.